A great brand name has to 1. Carry and reflect core values of your brand. 2. Be relevant for you and your target group. And 3. Have high vibration using good, positive words. In this video, I help you to define your brand values. Welcome to Fashion Business Mastermind, the mentorship program that helps you quit fear, get focused, and streamline your fashion business. I'm Julia Antofia, fashion inventor and manufacturer, 15 years in business, and your mentor on this wonderful journey. Stay tuned until the end of the video and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. In order to make it easy for you, we've made a list of 282 brand values for you to choose from. Please download the brand values exercise from under this video and select 3 to 6 brand values from the list that stand for your brand. Let's see how I do it for our wearable energizer, Perfect Tights. I use a several steps method to make this exercise more fun and less of a brain twist. Let's go. As you can see, the values list is long. So in the first step, I rate all values that seem relevant to me with a 1 and all values that seem irrelevant to me with a 0. Once I'm through the whole list, I select only those values that are rated with a 1. Let's see what I have. As you can see, I have a long list with way much more than 6 values. So I need to optimize the list. Now I go through all values rated with a 1 and set those that feel weak back to 0. I refresh my selection and now make my final selection by rating my absolute favorites with a 2 and setting less relevant values back to 0. My absolute favorites are adventurous, perfect, and high performance. I set active to 0 because high performance and adventurous cover the value of active. I set athletic to 0 because athletic's too narrow. Perfect Tights is a wearable energizer bridging sportswear and casual wear, and value high performance covers value athletic to some extent. I put awesome to 0 because perfect covers it. I put comfortable to 0 because perfect and high performance cover it. I put courageous to 0 because adventurous covers it. I put cutting edge and durable to 0 because high performance covers it. I put dynamic to 0 because high performance and adventurous cover it. I put empowering on 2 because this is one of my values and I want to have it. Energetic is same as high performance. I put fit and freedom to a 2. Functional and longevity are the same as high performance. Luxurious is in a way the same as high performance. I put progressively manufactured to 2. Progressive manufacturing is a term for fair manufacturing. Quality oriented is covered by perfect and high performance. I put revolutionary to 0 and spontaneous is covered by adventurous. Once finished, let's make a new selection of all values rated with a 2. Okay, now it becomes tough. I have 8 values and ideally I should have 3 to 6. I guess I can remove adventurous because fearless and free cover it. I can remove empowered because fearless and free cover it as well. Let's instantly refresh my selection to remain focused. So I'm left with fearless, fit, free, perfect, high performance, and progressively manufactured. I decide to keep them all. Perfect Tights is a progressively manufactured, high performance legwear that helps women to get fit, fearless, and free. All values fit into my product description, so I'm very happy with it. Now I wish you a lot of fun doing the same. Please know that if a value is missing, you can add it in a free space. Once you've figured out your brand values, fill them in the right bottom corner of page 1 of your business plan. If you're not in our program yet and this video inspired you to join Fashion Business Mastermind, comment, I want in! in the comments below and grab your insane 14 days free trial today by following the link in the description. You get access to all Fashion Business Mastermind exercises by joining the program. Much love, Julia Antofiev.